Hello everyone, welcome to our zoology class. So in today's zoology class, we are going to discuss one of the new topic that is about octopus. First let us see the systematic position of this octopus. So we have phylum Mollusca, class Cephalopoda, order Octopoda and genus Octopus and species Vulgaris. So the scientific name of octopus is Octopus vulgaris. So coming to the habit and habitat. So this octopus is a nocturnal marine creature and inhabits many diverse regions of the ocean, including coral reefs, pelagic waters and ocean floor. So this is about the habit and habitat. And coming to the distribution, so this octopus is cosmopolitan in distribution. That means it is generally found in Europe, India, Pacific and Atlantic coasts. Let us see now the identification characters or the comments. So this octopus is commonly called devilfish. And the body is unsegmented, symmetrical and soft-bodied animal. The head bears a pair of eyes and the mouth is surrounded by 8 elongated equal arms which are usually bearing suckers. So here shell is absent and it moves around by crawling or swimming. For defense, it ejects ink from the ink gland into the surrounding water, producing a smoky cloud. In males, one of the arm called as hectocotylized arm, it bears a spoon-shaped organ at its end. This arm is used to catch the female and deposit the spermatophores beneath its mantle. So here the sexes are separate and the development is direct and it feeds on crabs, bivalves and fishes and etc. So in this way, these are the comments of these octopus. If you see the different parts of the octopus, we have suckers, hump, funnel, heterocatalized arm, oral arm, web, eye. So this is about the information regarding octopus. Thank you.